Hi everyone, this user guide is to Novelist Plus, a free database of book recommendations available to all Chicago Public Library patrons. This database includes over 200,000 fiction titles, 350,000 nonfiction titles, and 100,000 full-text reviews, all of which can be searched by over 6,000 subject headings. It's a great tool to help you find your next favorite book, and to get you started, I'm going to show you how to access Novelist Plus and how to use it to browse fiction by genre and how to find author and book read-alikes. So to begin, we'll go ahead and navigate to the Chicago Public Library website and log into our account. From there, we'll click Browse, and under the submenu More, we're going to click Online Resources. On the next page, we'll go ahead and click A to Z Resources, and then we'll click N for Novelist Plus, and scroll down until we see Novelist Plus in the list, and we'll go ahead and click the link. And that will take us to the main Novelist Plus site. It's a very powerful site with offering many different ways to search for books. Again, this is just an introductory guide, so I'm going to show you a few very simple things, but I encourage you to poke around the site and see what else you can discover and different ways you can find for looking for books. To get you started, to browse by fiction, the easiest way to do so is to go ahead and hover over Browse By at the top and click on Genre. On the next page, we can sort results by adult, teen, age 9 through 12, and age 0 through 8. Just for the purposes of this search, I'm going to select teen. And on this page, you can simply scroll down and look through some recommended books in some featured genres, a great way to start. If you'd like to refine your search a little bit, next to New and Popular In at the top here, we can click on another drop-down menu, and we can click, for example, fantasy and science fiction. And by searching this way, it gives us some sub-genres within the genre of fantasy and science fiction. So, for example, we could look for books that feature quests, rescues, and dragons, or dystopias and apocalypses. Another nice feature on this page are these lists on the right-hand side. For example, there's a diverse speculative fiction list, traditional tales told, standalone fantasy fiction. So maybe, for example, you don't want to commit to an entire series, you just want to read one book. That might be a good option for you. Then there's usually some genre guides under each subcategory. So this one has genre guide, magical realism for teens, for example. So that's an easy way to just search by genre if you're kind of open to where the search takes you and you don't have anything too specific in mind other than just a genre that you enjoy. I'm going to click on the link here to bring us back to the main Novelist site. And the second thing I would like to show you is how to find author and book read-alikes. So let's say you're reading a book that you love and you'd like to find something that's similar to that book. So, for example, I'm reading Jelly by Claire Reese. So if I go to the top here and I click on this menu, I have the option to do keyword, title, author, series, narrator. I'm going to pick title because I love Jelly. Go ahead and type that in and click search. And then we just scroll until we find the book that we're interested in. So here's my book Jelly, so I can go ahead and click that. And then right off the bat here on the right-hand side, we see read-alikes. So these are books that have things in common with the book Jelly, which I'm enjoying right now. I can go ahead and click View All if I'd like to. Another feature on this page that often goes unnoticed that I'd like to just briefly point out is if you scroll down under Reviews here, there's another search box, Search for More. So this page is giving me books that are all in some way similar to Jelly, but if I'd like to get a little more specific about why I liked Jelly, for example, if I liked that it was unconventional storyline, the tone was offbeat, and the subject had monsters, then I could go ahead and click those three boxes, search again, and see if it pulls up maybe some specific books within all of the read-alikes that have those three categories. Okay, well, I hope that gets you started, and I hope you enjoy looking through Novelist Plus and helps you find some great books. If you're interested in some of the more advanced features, poke around on your own on the site, or we have additional user guides for Novelist Plus available that have advanced features explained. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching, and have a great week.